Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from your Arculus wallet to your Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. This process is straightforward, but always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Tangem Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged in. You'll need some USDT in your Arculus wallet to transfer, so if you don't, top up first. Security is key in crypto, so ensure you're on a secure network and have your recovery phrases handy just in case. Step 1. Open your Arculus Wallet app and navigate to the main dashboard. Look for your USDT balance, that's the asset we're working with. Tap on it to select USDT. Step 2. Once you're in the USDT section, find the Send or Transfer option. This might be an icon like an arrow or a button labeled Send. Click on that. Step 3. Now, you'll need the recipient's wallet address from your Tangem wallet. Open the Tangem app, go to the wallet overview, and copy the address for the account where you want to receive the USDT. Make sure it's the correct one. Double check for any typos. Step 4. Back in Arculus, paste the Tangem wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and don't forget to review any network fees. USDT typically uses the Tron or Ethereum network, so select the right one if prompted. Step 5. Hit Confirm or Send after reviewing all the details. You'll likely need to verify this with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric scan. Once confirmed, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. Finally, to wrap it up, head over to your Tangem wallet app and refresh it to see if the USDT has arrived. This might take a few minutes depending on network congestion. And there you have it. Your USDT is now safely transferred. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto transfers. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.